Here we come to the elevators at Forest Green Tower in Dallas, Texas. So Montgomery A series. Looks like this is on the same controller. We'll take a ride on this one first. Oh yes, these elevators look exactly like the one at Galleria Village in Bryan, Texas. Unfortunately, that fluorescent light is completely covering over that floor indicator. This elevator looks exactly like the one at Galleria Village in Bryan, Texas. Unfortunately, those elevators are unfortunately modernized now. Whoa, that stops so hard. I want to get a detailed look at these fixtures. I'll stick it right on this one. Same exact everything. This thing kind of vibrates. But yes, these elevators look exactly like the one at Galleria Village before it was modernized. You're going down?
Yep.
This one does not work on this one. Have a great day, sir.
Thanks, you too.
You're welcome. Your floor, sir?
I think so.
Which one?
4. Yeah, 4.
There you go. You're welcome. Have a great day, sir. We're gonna gotta get a full cabin. Look at this, all those mirrors in here. Hopefully it won't make a bunch of stops going down. These elevators are amazing. But back down to one, and there. I love these bell-happy chimes. Who knows when I'll ever get to see those Montgomery traction elevators again, especially with the A series. I don't think the door close button works. I want to sample that chime. Awesome. Okay, well, anyways, I already took enough fries on this. We're gonna go back down and end. But man, do I love these elevators. A series. Well, Justin, here is a Montgomery elevator for you. These are fast too. I love these elevators, Hanny.
I knew you would. You were in for a treat.
Yeah, exactly. Nice to see you again. All right, watch it close. There it goes. And that's it.